show you how you put the beads with 3 holes on the chain. Actually, I'm gonna ask Josefine because she's like an expert and she has that, you know, the feminine touch. So, do you mind showing us how you do this?
Of course.
Perfect. So what you do is you open it up like that, and then you make 2 ends. See, you have 2 ends, and those 2 ends we now have hanging here. Then you take the bead itself, and you take one of the ends and put it down the hole on the top and out the left side. Then you take the other one, put it down the same hole, but out the right side. So now they both come in this hole at the top, but they divide and go each way at the bottom. Okay, and you turn it around. And now it's time to put on the lock, but if you want to have other beads on, this is where you put it on. You can put glass beads on here, or pearls, or silver, whatever. But we're just going to put a lock on. So, put the lock on, just so we can see it. One on each side. And here it is. And if you look at the one Josefine has around her neck, you can see how you can, this is just a way to do it, one way to do it. It looks really beautiful. And then you can do whatever you want. And that's it. So, good luck. And I hope you figured it out.